This is the HQB 2500 Sun pump of mine that's failed with the impeller has broken with the propeller disconnected from the actual rotor. And I've already replaced the shaft on this. Got a shaft from AliExpress and replaced that. But now the thing stopped working, it's not pumping. And the problem, I think you can see here, is that the vanes on this thing are all broken off. So here's the plastic break there, and probably along here as well. So they connect up to the propeller there, but when this turns they should turn together, but now as you can see they turn independently. So when then the motor drives this magnet here, it should turn, it doesn't. So what I'm proposing to do to fix this is I'm thinking that I should coat the whole thing in epoxy resin, and then when I put this together it should just become one solid unit. Hopefully that will fix it. Got some epoxy here. It says epoxy adhesive, but it should do the trick, I think. Open it up and cover it with epoxy, stick it on, and hopefully it'll hold until I can order another impeller from China. So with the epoxy, I think I'm just supposed to cut these tops off here and then mix it. I'll just mix it on the paper here, and once it's all mixed up I then apply it to the impeller. This thing's got a plastic protector in the middle of it, so I can't push the plunger down until I remove it first. That looks like as much I can get out of this bottle. Oops. I'll put the cap on now, or the propeller on now. And now it's all sealed up. So let's wait probably overnight and see if it becomes solid. It's supposed to become solid in 5 minutes, but probably won't resist the forces inside the pump just after 5 minutes. It's overnight and the impeller is looking good. Won't turn now. Feels pretty solid. So I just need to reassemble it and test it to make sure the thing still works. So this is the cap. So that okay. That goes there. So this goes into the pump itself. Alright, that should just go in here. Get those two holes aligned. And put it back together again. Alright, need 2 hands for this. So that's been reassembled, and now just to put the top back on again. It's done now. Stick it under water and see if it works. And what do you know? It's working again. Alright, we'll better stick it in my pond. Thanks for watching.